Alright, here's the new garage door installed. Pretty fancy. Tore that wall down last night. That was a lot of work. It's not your typical garage door. You can see the motor is, there's no motor, no track right there. It's actually up here. So it works with that pulley and the cable. So it's pretty sweet. It's almost like a commercial application. And then this is right here when it closes, this deadbolt slides shut, keeps the door shut so nobody can open it. So I can show you. How's he stand? Come here. Come in. It's like a 2-inch thick door with insulation inside with a steel back. But yeah, once it closes, the thing slides out by itself, automatic. It's pretty sweet. And then this is the fancy thing. It's got the temperature and the time and a bunch of other stuff probably don't need, but it looks cool, and that's what all that matters. So that's it. It's in.